A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction to electric circuit analysis. Unit 1, Basic Circuit Analysis. The first topic, Fundamental Concepts of R, L and C elements. Energy sources, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws. DC circuits, resistors in series and parallel circuits. AC circuits, average and RMS value, complex impedance, phasor diagram, real and reactive power, power factor energy, mesh current, nodal voltage methods of analysis of DC and AC circuit. What is electric circuit? A electric circuit consists of three parts: energy source such as battery or generator, the load or sink such as lamp or motor, the third one is connecting wires. The purpose of the circuit is to transfer energy from source to the load, that is lamp, and this is accomplished by the passage of electrons through wires around the circuit. What is electric network? Interconnection of two or more simple circuit elements, that is voltage sources, resistors, inductors and capacitors, is called an electrical network. If a network contains at least one closed path, it is called an electric circuit. Next, we are going to see the classification of network elements: active and passive, unilateral and bilateral. The third one is linear and non-linear. Fourth one is lumped and distributed. First, I am going to give active and passive elements. What are active elements? Active elements are energy sources or delivering power to some external device, or energy delivering devices. These are known as active element. Passive elements are energy storing or dissipating element. If we consider the resistor, that is dissipate the energy in the form of heat, but the inductor and capacitor that stores the energy in electric field, and capacitor stores the energy in magnetic field. These are about active and passive element. Next, bilateral and unilateral element. So what is bilateral element? The voltage current relation is same for current flowing in either direction. If we consider the resistor, the voltage current relation is same for current flowing in either direction. What is unilateral element? Has different relations between voltage and current for the two possible direction of current. Examples are vacuum diodes, silicon diodes, metal rectifiers are the unilateral element. If we consider the diode having two types of bias, forward bias and reverse bias. Forward bias, P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and N is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now the PN junction diode is conducting. While the PN junction diode in reverse bias, it is not conducting. It acts as an open circuit. So this is the example for unilateral element. Next, linear and non-linear elements. An element is said to be linear if the voltage current characteristics is straight line through the origin. For example, if we consider the Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I, or V is equal to IR. The elements which satisfies the Ohm's law, that is known as linear element, and it satisfies the principle of superposition, that is principle of homogeneity and additivity. But the element which does not satisfy the above principle is called non-linear element. Next, Lumped and distributed element. What is lumped element? Lumped element are those elements which are very small in size and electrically separable. Examples are inductors, capacitors and resistors. What is distributed element? On the other hand, it is not electrically separable for analytical purpose, for example transmission line, which has the distributed resistance, inductance and capacitance along its length may extend for hundreds and thousands of miles. Thank you. Have a nice day.